Hi guys. So I want to show you a new feature that I particularly like, which is the global search that you get now in the navigation. And maybe I can just show you, and then I can comment on various things. But you can press the Command key, and you get something like, I can look for people, like I can find Karen and jump to her screen. I can find projects. I can find, what is the name of this goal? Expand. I think it works quite well. So some things to note, like the jump seems to be very fast. The search seems to be very fast, at least in this local testing area, but I also tested it on production in our Operaly account. I really like how the design looks. I mostly copied it from GitHub because you always see this. I don't like, for example, some services where you have just like a find button and then something opens, because I don't have the incentive to actually click it. But when it's an input field, I feel I want to type something in. But also I don't like services where the search bar is so small that you cannot actually type in stuff. And I also didn't want to make this super prominent, because I think that's not the main focus of the application most of the time. So I copied this design from GitHub. I really like it. And when you click on it, basically it expands to a big search bar that you can type on. I like that it works on any page. So yeah, that's the gist of it. Now, things that don't work. For example, if I search for something, I cannot go down or up with my keyboard, and I really need that, because when I enter something like this, I just want to hop to the first thing and then enter. So this is definitely a missing feature. The other thing is when this appears, I think when nothing is here, I think this looks nice. This is very sleek and just appears on the top. But when you type in something, then you see some visual artifacts here. And also the icons are not the best. For example, if I look for some project, these are not our default projects that we have. So yeah, still things to fix. But yeah, we have a global search. It was much more simple to do than I originally anticipated. And I think that AI did like 80% of this job. I just fixed something in the API, and kind of that was it. So looking forward to your feedback and your thoughts on this. Have a nice day. Bye.